At Dexory, we're reshaping the future of warehousing. It started with a bold vision from our founders and grew to a global team of experts that understand the complexity of operating in warehouses and aren't afraid to tackle it. Because let's face it, this industry is big, but it's broken. Billions are lost to blind spots, efficiency-draining processes, and outdated systems. Dexory brings clarity, control, and speed with automated, real-time data capture and analysis that just works. And we're growing fast. After launching in the UK, we expanded in Europe and quickly scaled across North America and beyond. Today, we're the go-to partner for contract logistics, retail, e-commerce, and manufacturing leaders around the world, including GXO, ID Logistics, Nidec, GE Appliances, and many more. Our secret? We're full stack, hardware, software, AI, all built in-house, working seamlessly together. Our technology plugs in, works, and flows to deliver results from day one. We've scanned over 500 million warehouse locations, and we're now adding 1.5 million more every single day. It's the largest warehouse operations dataset in the world, and we're just getting started. It's a breakthrough solution, built by a bold team. For a global market, ready for change. We are Dexory. Warehouse intelligence starts here.